Have you ever had an A plus set up and at the end your order was not filled and you became angry and you didn't know how to react to the market, and because you have already told yourself that once this order plays out, I'm going to pass my prop firm, I'm going to make profit, I am going to enjoy my weekend. That's what usually happens to most of us as traders. If you are not familiar with this, please know it that there are times you will come to the chart, you will have an A plus setup, and at the end, your setup will play out. You are either taken out or you are left behind. That was what happened to me last week. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. How we are doing today? Hope we are maximizing the blues and minimizing the reds. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Megzi, and on this channel I document my trades. If you're a new person here, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload content, you will be the first to get notified. All right, I'm going to take us to my chart very shortly. I'll show us the mistake I made last week. I'll talk about the mistake so that you will not make the same mistake. You know, that's part of what I do on this channel. I took a trade, GBPCAD, and I think the problem I had was over refinement. I did not check properly the volume of my point of interest. Yes, there's something I usually do. I check the volume of my point of interest. If it's not too much, I will not refine, but I didn't take note of that and I over refined and the trade left me. So let's get on my charts very shortly and you will see exactly what happened to me, and it will not repeat itself next time. See you on my charts. Welcome everyone to my charts. This is the trade, this is the trade I took last week, and as we can see here, I'm going to do a very short explanation with regards to what happened on this chart. So when I come to the market, the first thing I do is to identify the trend of the market so that I would be able to trade in line with the trend. You know, when we started trading, we were told one basic or fundamental rule: do not trade against the trend. It doesn't mean that if you trade against the trend, you will not make profit. Just know that in this market, in the financial market, you can be doing the wrong thing and be making profits. But when market hits you, your mind go there. So on this chart now, I saw that there was a consolidation. After this consolidation, there was a consolidation around here. After this consolidation, the market broke out. So this is the breakout. And we had a change of character on the 4 hours time frame. So after this change of character, I had my point of interest. So this is my point of interest here. I marked it on the 4 hours time frame. This was my point of interest, marked on the 4 hours time frame. After marking my point of interest, I did not take note of the fact that the area or the last candle that brought about this voluminous movement was small, was not very large. So I wouldn't have modified on the lower time frame. And also, among the mistake I made was that I did not check the value of my stop loss. I usually use 25 pips to 50 pips stop loss, depending on the pair that I'm trading, especially currency pairs. So because I didn't check that on the 4 hours time frame, I would have just entered from this point, 1.84915. That was where I entered initially. Then I now said, since I did this analysis on the 4 hours time frame, let me go down to the lower time frame to get a sniper entry. If you're someone who is always looking for sniper entries, please take note that there will be points where you'll be missing a lot of trades. A lot of your orders may not be filled. So after identifying this, I went on the lower time frame, 30 minutes time frame. Let me show us so that we'll see it clearly. 30 minutes, I mean. So I went on the 30 minutes time frame and I modified. So the 30 minutes time frame modification was the reason why I was not keyed in on this trade. So that was the mistake I made. If you are watching this video right now and you feel or you know that the mistake was not just the 30 minutes time frame, there are other things you think I did not identify properly that made me miss the trade, please, I would appreciate your comment in the comment section. You see, I came to mark this order block on the 30 minutes time frame and also took the trade on this 30 minutes time frame. But initially, this came down by 2 pips, although initially on the 4 hours time frame, let me show us something here. Now, I like to show workings, and it's very important when you show workings. Sorry, the network is a bit slow. So on this 4 hours time frame, let's say I left the first order I placed on the 4 hours time frame. You'll see what's happened. It was still a sniper entry. I didn't know about this. Well, most times you will not even know that this would happen. So, man, there's a setting I have on my system, so it's affecting here. Please pardon me. Okay, let me remove it now. So I need to set it. It was actually 1.84915. Sorry, there's a church in my background. They're having their meeting and it's affecting. You may hear it. So 915. So this was my initial entry. And let's assume that after this entry, I decided to take this market to this point, and my stop loss is usually below. Let me reduce this. Usually below, a bit below the low. Can you see? Can you see? This would have given me a 1:3 RR, but I messed it up because of my over refinement. So in my opinion, over refinement was my biggest problem here. But the thing is, the financial market is a learning ground, and I think I have learned from this. Though everything I looked for in the market was complete. I had my change of character. I had my valid point of interest. I had inducement or liquidity. Then I had price come to the area without taking me in because of over refinement. And it left. I've learned from it. If I get this week, if I get a trade like this, the first thing I will want to measure is the volume of the last candle that brought about the move. If it's as the same as what I'm seeing here, I would not over refine it. That's what I'll do. Highest, I'll use the 1 hour time frame to enter instead of going to a very lower time frame. But I thank God for knowledge. God has been helping us through. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you do not understand the explanation, you have something you need me to explain, please put it down in the comment section, okay? We can connect and we get to talk. Also, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload content like this, you will be the first to get notified. And also, please Help me give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends who may be interested in content like this. Having said this, I appreciate you for taking your time out to watch this video. Do have a wonderful day. God bless you.